channel, Haitian Dining with Mayi. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make corn porridge, also known as Labouyi Mayi. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below and let's get started. Here are today's ingredients. 1 cup plus 3 tablespoons corn flour, 1 cup of water to mix with the flour, 2.5 cups water to cook the flour, 1 can evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon almond extract, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 3 sticks cinnamon, 5 star anise, half cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon butter, half teaspoon nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In this pan, I'm going to put the water, cinnamon, star anise, and salt and let it boil for 7 minutes. After that, I'm going to mix the flour and the water. I adjust the water to 1/2 cup more so we don't have any more lumps. When the water is boiling, I mix in the flour and stir it until it's creamy. I'm adding sugar and milk until no lumps are forming. Now I'm adding the butter and the rest of the ingredients. After I'm adding all the ingredients, I'd let it simmer for 15 minutes on low heat. This is the final result. Bon appétit! This is my favorite childhood dish, by the way. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.